Good morning students. Let us see about now cube root. Cube root of a number is the value that when we cube the number it will give the original number. For example, we will take 27 when cubic root of 27 is 3 because when we raise the power 3 by 3 we will get 27. So that cube root of 27 is 3. We will use the notation cubic root of x, or we will denote it by the cube root x power 1 by 3. Next we will see exercise 1.5. Third question, show that 1944 is not a perfect cube. So how can we find? By using the L division. If it is a finding the cube root, we have to use L division method. First we will divide by 2 because it is ended with 4, so that it is a even number. So now 19 we have to take 9 2s are 18, remaining 1. Now it is 14, 7 2s are 14. Next 4, 2 2s are 4. Again we have to divide by 2. 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, it is 17 now. 8 2s are 16, remaining 1, it is 12 now. 6 2s are 12. Again we have to divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. Again we have to divide by 2. We will get 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We should not divide by 2, so we have to take 3. Now what we can write? We will get 8 2s are 24, 1 3s are 3. 8 3s are 24 and 1 3s are 3. Again we can divide by 3. We will get 2 3s are 6, remaining 2. 7 3s are 21. Again we can divide by 3. 9 3s are 27. Again we can divide by 3. 3 3s are 3. Again we can divide by 3. 1 3s are 3. Now what we have to do? Simply in square root, for finding the square root, we will group the number into 2. Pair number we will group. Here in cube root we have to group the number into 3. Now we have 3 times 2. So we will write 1944 as 2 cube into here 1, 2, 3 times 3. So 3 power 3 into here we have 1, 2. 2 times only 3 we have. Here if it is one more 3, if it is there, it is a perfect cube, or else it is not a perfect cube. So clearly it is not a perfect cube because 1 3 is here decreased. So that here it is 1944 is not a perfect cube. Next question number 4. Find the smallest number by which 10,985 should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Here we have to find the smallest number. By dividing that number, it will be a perfect cube. Let us see. First we will divide by 5 because here this number is ended with 5, so that we can divide by 5. Here 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 5, remaining 4. Now 48 it is. 9 5s are 45, remaining 3. 7 5s are 35. Next we will divide this one by 13 because it is a cube root of 13. So that because 13 is a prime number, so that it will be divided by 13. So what we will get? 169. When we divide this number by 13, we will get 169. Next we have to divide by 13 again. So 13 13s are 169. Again we have to divide by 13, it will be 1. Now 10,985 will be expressed as in terms of 13 power 3 into 5 power 1. So that 5 is the smallest number. We have to divide by 5 this number. We will get the perfect cube number. That perfect cube number is nothing but 2197. So cubic root of 2197 is 13. Clear? Next, fifth question. Find the smallest number by which 200 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. We need to make this 200 to the perfect cube by multiplying which number, that only we are going to find now. It is very simple. We have to use 2 first to divide this one. We will get 100. We will use again 2 because the least number we will take first. So 5 2s are 10, 0. Again we have to take 2. It will be 25. We will take 5 to 5 5s are 25. Again we will take 5. It will be 1. Now 200 will be expressed as 2 power 3. Here we have 3 2's, so it is 2 power 3 into 5 power 2 only we have. So we have to multiply one more 5, then it will be a perfect cube. So we have to multiply by 5. We will get 5 2's are 10,000. So 1000 is the perfect cube number. We know that cubic root of 1000 is 10. So that the least smallest number, the smallest number we required, that is number 5. By multiplying 5 with 200, we will get the perfect cube, that is 1000. Next, question number 6. Find the cubic root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25. First we will take 24, 36, 80, 25. 24, we can write 24. Prime factors 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 12. Again 2, it is 6. Again 2, it is 3. 3, it will be 1. So 22 we can write as 1 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Next 36 we will take. 36 we have to divide by 2. 1 2s are 2, remaining 1, 8 2s are 6. Again 2, it will be 9. 9 we can write as 3 into 3. So it will be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We will take now 80, which is equal to 2 if you are taken means 40, 2 means 20. So 2 into 2, 20 we can write as 4 5s are 20. So 4 we can write as 2 into 2 into 5. So now we have 25. 25 will be 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. So 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 36 it is, it is 36. So 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 80 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 25 is 5 into 5. We need to find the cubic root of this one. Am I right? Cube root of this one. So it is very simple. Cube root of, we have to write 24 into 36 into 80 into 25. Cubic root we are going to find. Here we have to write the number. Into power 3 we have to rise. So 2 power 3, 2 power 3. Next again we have 2 power 3. Again we have 2 power 3. Next we have 3 power 3. Next we have 5 power 3. Here we should not raise the power. So this will be equal to this one. Now cubic root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25 is nothing but we have to take 1 2 from here, 1 2 from here, 1 2 from here, 1 3 from here, 1 5 from here. Okay. While we raise the power, we should not write this one. While we reduce the power, we have to take cubic root of this one. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 5s are 15, 8 15s are now 120. So cube root of this value is nothing but it is 120. So revise the question number 3 to 6. I have taught this now. Then do the question number 7 and then 8 as your homework. I will meet you in next class. Thank you so much.